Split. Yeah, my pen's split, so they won't change your angle or fill your steel. Just put them on the side of your table or your counter. Push in that resting on them and roll them out. It's a titanium carbide embedded in a butcher steel, and you can sharpen any knife with them.
If you get more than 8, well,
what you want.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, they got lots of blade. That's all I don't like about it. Okay.
Get it on this leather.
How much are they?
I sell $20, and I do give them a lifetime warranty on them. Let me show you something else. I can also do any serrated edge. Whether it be your pocket knife, kitchen knife, electric fillet knife, just stand them up, roll them in the middle. This way it's made to vibrate on in between. That won't take too long, and that will hit your knife. Ready to sharp for you. I use them on the button knife.